How to make colored birdseed. Bird feeders provide a steady stream of activity in your yard. Your bird feeder may be very attractive, but the birdseed is often very plain. Colorful birdseed can be expensive. Instead of spending extra money on fancy seed, you can make your own. Think of your favorite colors, and visit your local grocer to purchase food coloring. You will be on your way to fancy, inexpensive birdseed. Things you will need: birdseed, aluminum foil, cookie sheet, medium-sized bowl, disposable plastic spoon, food coloring. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Line a cookie sheet with aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Put 1 cup of birdseed into a medium-sized bowl. Add food coloring a few drops at a time. You can use one color or a combination of many colors to achieve your desired shade. Stir with a plastic disposable spoon to evenly distribute the color on all of the seeds. Add more coloring if a darker color is desired. Spread the colored seeds in a single layer on the foil-lined cookie sheet. Place the cookie sheet in the preheated oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Allow the seeds to cool. They are now ready for use and safe for the birds. Tips: warnings. Research the birds you prefer. When you find information about your selected bird, also look up its color preferences and use this to determine your birdseed color.